We are fertilizing happiness. We are Patil Biotech Private Limited, India's leading and most respected manufacturer of specialty plant nutrition and growth solutions since 1994.
Patil Biotech intention to make farmers completely debt-free and to work towards social and economical upliftment of the farmers by providing quality agro inputs.
Pioneers of balanced fertilization technology named as Patil Biotech Technology. We are a renowned brand in agriculture. Our range of more than 65 innovative and eco-friendly agro-bio products is customized for the specific needs of 107 different crops. Currently, our products are trusted and used by over 1 million farmers across 80,000 Indian villages in 12 states of India.
Balanced fertigation means providing yield-based nutritional requirement of the crop. One can target the yield and we will provide the nutritional requirement of the crop to achieve targeted yield.
Our vision is to repeat the green revolution by reaching out to every single farmer in India. Our mission is to achieve profitable growth through superior customer service, innovation, quality and commitment to become India's most acclaimed company in agricultural yield management. As a leading brand, our business meets the needs of customers in maximum range of products to improve the quality and quantum of agro commodities like vegetables, fruits, flowers, cereals and pulses. Since its inception, the company has had a trailblazing journey with many important landmarks such as development of 100% organic bioproduct Makshikari trap, control of wilt and oil spot in pomegranate, study tour to Mississippi, Cuba, launching of our own best-selling brand Humol, etc.
Patil Biotech is committed to provide win-win situation to both farmers and our channel partners. Commercial aspect of business is always kept in our mind when we think of our channel partners.
Our state-of-the-art factory located at Jargaon has production capacity of 2,000 to 3,000 metric tons per annum. Quality control is equipped with HPLC, GC, AAS, flame photometer, spectrophotometer, pH meter and other routine lab equipments. The company focuses on research and development. Our R&D labs ensure stringent checks on the quality parameters of our entire product life cycle and range.
6 years back, we established customer care department. Customer care is a key element at Patil Biotech. We serve more than 1 million farmers per year. They are supported and guided technically in all possible manners.
Our product range includes biofungicides, biopesticides, bioinsecticides, soil conditioners, micronutrients, integrated pest management, plant growth regulators, bioorganics, secondary nutrients, water-soluble fertilizers, seeds, spreaders, bulk formulations, etc. Tracking dynamic soil and water deficiency trends has helped us reformulate our products. We conduct farmer training activities and are proud to have interacted and trained more than 1 lakh farmers in topics such as soil fertility, balanced fertigation, crop lifestyle, etc. Our crop-wise training programs are much awaited and appreciated by farmers. Our farmer, Mr. Hanumant Sawant, got an award by Department of Agriculture, Maharashtra State for progressive farming in 2015. Patil Biotech Private Limited aims at strengthening, empowering and advancement of weak components of society through CSR activities in education and health. Under the able and visionary leadership of Mr. Pramod Patil, founder and chairman, and Mr. Harshal Patil, CEO, Patil Biotech is taking long strides.
Future of agriculture is bright in African countries. African countries has put their mark in agriculture industry. To start with African countries, we are looking forward competent and passionate stakeholders and channel partners to serve the market.
With its core values, commitment, integrity, efficiency and leadership, Patil Biotech is doing its bit in greener and sustainable future of our farmers and of our planet. Serving over 20,000 villages across 12 states in India, with over 1,000 distributors, over 2,500 retailers, over 300 professionals in marketing, R&D and supply chain, we are creating value for farmers and stakeholders.
We fertilize happiness. We fertilize happiness.
We fertilize happiness.
We fertilize happiness.
We are fertilizing happiness.